Welcome to Royal IT Skills. Today we are going to learn how to install Oracle and also how to install and configure SQL Developer tool. Okay, for these to install we need software. So we have kept the software of these two in the Google Drive. So we will provide you the link. You have to take the link and paste it in the browser. So you don't have access if you are accessing first time. So you can ask for access. You can type please provide access and you can mention your name and you can give your phone number. Okay, so so that we know who is requesting the access. So for that purpose, even if you don't give the details, that's fine, but at least we should know who is accessing, who is requesting the access. Okay, so you can send the request. So once you send the request, we will get the notification that that you are asking for the access. We will verify and see, and we will provide the access. Okay, so we will check that and we will give you the access. So you will get email notification also that you have received the access. Then you can just come back and re-enter the same thing, or you can refresh. So you will get the access to the folder, I mean Google Drive. So here you can download both the folders. This is for Oracle and this is for SQL Developer. So you can download both. Yeah, download anyway. Similarly, you can download SQL Developer as well. Let's wait for this to complete instead of slowing down the download. Let it complete. Then you can download the SQL Developer. So this will be downloaded in the downloads folder, right? So we will copy cut and paste to our folder. Okay. Sometimes you may face issue while cutting and paste. So don't worry. Either you can directly make use of the download folders also. Okay. So it's getting downloaded. So your internet should be fast so that it will download quickly. Okay, so this is done. Now you can start downloading the second folder. Just click on download. It will ask for confirmation. You can say download anyway because these are secure files. No need to worry. So once these are downloaded, you can go to the downloads folder here. So Oracle is downloaded. Similarly, this SQL Developer also get downloaded. So just wait for that. Okay, it is getting downloaded. So better to have a good speed so that it will be done faster. So once it is downloaded, what I can recommend is C drive is basically for running applications. So if your C drive is full, it's always advised you can install the software in D drive also. So what I recommend is you can go to D drive, and you can have one folder called um, softwares. I think that is fine. So softwares, you can just bring that. Okay, I'm just cutting and coming to D drive, softwares. I'm pasting here. Okay. So meanwhile, the other folder is downloaded. Let me unzip this. So you can unzip in multiple ways. Either you can unzip using extract all, or you can use WinZip, or you can also use 7-zip. So in whichever format. So 7-zip is much faster compared to other things. So you can make use of that, or you can go with the natural, Microsoft provided extract all also. Okay. Now let's see what is the status of this download. Okay, it is getting downloaded. Okay, this is done. Make sure this should not be in pass symbol. Just wait for that. Okay, I think it is taking some time to refresh. Okay, so let it take some time. Meanwhile, we can install Oracle. Let's see. Okay, this is also downloaded. Let's try to cut and paste. If you face any issue, that's fine, no issues. Okay, the action cannot be completed because the folder is in open system. Okay, try again. Okay, so it's not getting, seems it is still in downloading state. Yeah, I think it is downloaded. Let's see now. Let's go to downloads, refresh it once again. Go to this, cut and paste in the softwares. Okay, so there is some issue, not a problem. You can simply do one thing. Go to downloads again. You can extract here itself. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just extracting here itself. Let's see. I don't face any issue. Okay, so okay, it extracted. So extracted file I'm cut and paste here. Okay, so sometimes it happens with this kind of file, so no need to worry. You can just copy paste, cut and paste also not an issue. So okay, so we have this one also in place. Yeah, we are good with this as well. So now coming to Oracle, as a first step, okay, we downloaded the software from the link. Similarly, this one also we downloaded this. Second thing is cut and paste in the C drive. So that we did. Now we extracted. So extraction is also done successfully using 7-zip. Once it is extracted, just open this Oracle XE. Okay, in the D drive we created softwares. In that we cut and paste this zip file. That zip file is extracted. So open that zip, extracted file, and open this disk one. Here there is something called setup. You can right click and say run as administrator. Okay, so this will ask for confirmation. You can say yes. So it will install quickly. It won't take much time. So preparing to install, it is installing. So always recommended is better install in the in any drive like D drive, E drive, or any drive other than C. Okay, So next, okay, you can accept, simply you can accept. Next, now here it is pointing to C drive. So recommended is, what I can suggest is, in the D drive itself you can have something called, you can write Oracle XE. Okay, you can write Oracle XE. Any name you can take, but you can take Oracle XE. Okay, so since it is even it is also taking into Oracle XE, I also write in D drive Oracle XE. So I browse this and I go to D drive, I go to Oracle XE. Okay, next, yeah. So there are two users. This, so now we are going to set up the system users. Okay, enter and confirm passwords for the database. This password will be used for both sys and the system database accounts. So the default users are sys and system, so we can use either of them. For both of them the same password. So always recommended is, again, password. So we are not concentrating much on the security part now. We are in the learning mode, and the database is not a secured one. It is for learning purpose, right? So I recommend you can simply keep admin, admin, as the password. Okay, so I can type admin in small case, or if you want, if you don't want to do any mistake, you can copy this, you can paste it. So same thing, admin. Okay, do next, and everything is getting installed in the D drive, if you see here. So if you want, you can note down these details, current installation settings. So if you want, you can note down for future purpose. So these are the things, and you can say install. Click on install, it will start installing the software. So Oracle installation will be a bit faster. So start learning Oracle. So this is I mean basic in many databases. So once it is installed, we will go to SQL Developer, and we will configure the users. We set up everything there. Okay. Okay, so it is configuring the database. Once it is done, okay, okay, it is taking some time to install. So once it is done, we will go ahead and uh, configure the users. So we will prefer a system user for Oracle. So either we can take a sys or system, either of them we can consider. So I prefer system. Let's go ahead with that. So it is configuring the database. So you can start learning Oracle and SQL query language. SQL is called structured query language. So yeah, this is done. So you can say finish, click on finish. So you can see Oracle. If you go to the desktop, you can see on your desktop this one, get started with this one, Oracle. Okay. Okay, so with that we are done with installing Oracle. Now we will go to uh, this SQL Developer. So SQL Developer, if you see, you can simply, okay, let me open this. Okay, in the softwares, extracted folder, SQL Developer. So if you go to the end, you will see this SQL Developer.exe. So you just copy this, or you can create a shortcut of this. You can go and create a shortcut. So you can say desktop, create shortcut, so that you can simply open up this. Okay, this is the shortcut created. So if you open, it will come up. Okay, so our Oracle installation is done. Now what we are doing, we are opening SQL Developer, and using this, okay, using this we will open up. Okay, this is the welcome page generally we get. Okay, now we are going to create the, we are going to add the system user here. So for that, just click on this plus symbol. The user is already there. We are going to create the connection. Okay, just click on this new connection, and here you can type system. As I told you, there are two things, sys or system, right? So system, and password is like ADMIN. ADMIN, and you can take the okay, this is fine. System password is ADMIN admin, and you can save the password. Just select the option of saving the password. You can test it. So the connection is successful. Now you can save this, and also you can connect. So this is the system user created. Now we are going to create a user using the command. Okay, so so the command is, I will first tell you the syntax. So syntax is create user. We can give user name here, then identified by, so we can give password, and closing. Okay, so that means create user, username. Okay, so just representation purpose I kept like this. Okay, so this is the one, create user, username. So what user you want to create? Let's say I want to create a user, create user Royal, okay, or Royal IT skills, identified by, so what is the password? Let's say admin. Okay, we can give any password. I'm just giving admin here. So with this, if I do, the Royal IT skills user is created. So there is no such user as of now. So let me create this. I selected this. I'm just running this. So here we don't have Royal IT skills. I can refresh and see there is a user called Royal IT skills. Okay, now I just created the user. Now I need to grant the permission, right? So for granting the permission, I have to the syntax is grant. So grant type. Okay, what type of grant you want to give? So grant type, and then to, okay, to which user? So username we have to give. Okay, so this is the syntax. This is called syntax formula. Now I have to provide, okay, grant. So how do you know what kind of grants we have. So we can give a grant called connect. Okay, connecting grant we can give to user. What is our username? This is Royal IT Skills. So I just copied and pasted this. So if I just run this, I am running this. Okay, grant succeeded. You can see the results also here. User created, grant succeeded. In the script output, you can see this. Along with that, we can also give one more grant. So another grants also. If you want to give multiple grants also, we can give resource DBA. Okay, these are the two grants to which user? Same royalty kids. Okay, so I'm just giving both the things. Now I am going to create the give the connection here. Create the connection. So Royal IT Skills, username is Royal IT Skills. So password is, what is the password we have in here? Create user, username identified by admin. So admin is the password, ADMIN. Okay, so we can save the password. So before actually creating the connection, let's check the connection. The credentials, the username, password are correctly working or not. So test. So successful. So what I'm doing, I am saving this. Okay. So connect. So if you want, see, this is how royalty skills is created. Likewise, you can create your own usernames. Okay. So using this syntax. Syntax means what? It means the formula. Create user, username is anything we can give, identified by, these are keywords. Okay, keywords we cannot change. These are keywords. Username I am giving Royal IT Skills. Password I am giving it as admin. Okay, so this is how and here how to give the grant type to username. So grant is this, grant type, what type of grant I am giving? Connect to username. I am giving the connect grant, and I am also giving resource and DBA grant. So if we give this kind of grants, we are able to access that user. Okay, so here, so this is how we create the users using SQL Developer. Okay, hope you are clear on this one. So if you like this video, please hit a like, and if you want to share it to someone else, please share it so that they will also learn how to install Oracle and SQL Developer. And also please subscribe to Royal IT Skills channel so that it can be spread to as many people as possible, and they will also be benefited out of this. Thank you very much. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.